In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily watch Telegram videos without downloading them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram app and then head over to settings. On settings, if you scroll down a bit, you will find data and storage. We need to get into it. And that's where we can configure automatic media download for cellular and for Wi-Fi. First off, we can get into cellular, and that's where we can easily find auto download media option. When this option is active, your videos will be uploaded automatically so that you can start watching the video as soon as you see it. But if you don't want your videos to download automatically to save your data usage, you can just disable it. The same about Wi-Fi settings. All the settings here are the similar as the settings for cellular. We can enable or disable auto download media feature. We can configure data usage by dragging it left or right. And also we can configure this option depends of content type here. Let's say we can get into videos and then we can activate or deactivate auto download videos and GIFs from contacts, private chats, group chats, channels, and also we can configure here the maximum video size for the auto downloading. Down below, we can also find preload large videos. We can, in the same way, activate or deactivate this option. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.